Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Robert Canter, and as you probably guessed, I've got another Wonka Bar for you. As you should know by now, in the original book, it's stated that Willy Wonka invented over 200 variations of the Wonka Bar, and I've been trying to fill in the gaps. And to be perfectly honest, I can't believe I didn't think of this one sooner. Summer is fast approaching, and on a hot summer day, nothing sounds better than a nice cold Chipwich. You should only need 3 good-sized clumps of edible cookie dough, but if you want to add more, you can. Just make sure to cut them up. They'll melt right into the rest of the bar. Remember, if the mixture is on the pot boiler too long, or if it's too hot, you're going to ruin it. I tend to have the best results if I bring it to boil and then let it sit on simmer for about 3 minutes. But you can take 5 if you want. Follow these instructions, and in no time at all, you'll have your very own Doughlicious Wonka Bar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, click the links in the description below and buy my books.